Hey everyone, and welcome back to another creative session where we streamline your content game. Today, I'm walking you through a seriously slick workflow for turning those behemoth-long videos into highly engaging, snackable clips. We are talking about cutting hours of manual chopping down to mere minutes, automatically. Now, you've likely played with Premiere Pro's scene edit detection, which is fantastic for finding those hard cuts in an already polished timeline. But let's be honest, how often are you working with a perfectly edited piece versus a raw, hour-long live stream or a dense podcast episode? You need the true highlights, those specific, shareable moments that actually go viral on every platform. That is precisely the gap that Vizard steps in to fill with intelligent automation. For this demo, I grabbed a sample clip, a short montage that actually contains 3 distinct hard cuts to start. Sure, Premiere can identify those cuts instantly, but that's just the surface level of what creators really need today. We demand the best takes, the punchlines that land perfectly, and all the energy encapsulated in one short clip. More importantly, we need those clips delivered with captions, reframed for vertical platforms, and ready to post immediately. The thought of manually scrubbing through an hour of footage to find those spots is what causes creator burnout. So instead of starting that tedious scrub, I just upload the entire long file directly into Vizard. If you want to follow along, I've linked the exact sample clip down in the description below for you to test. It's sourced from Pexels, so always remember to credit the original creator if you use their work. Supporting artists is key. Using original downloads whenever possible is just the right professional habit to build into your routine.
All right, let's talk step 1, the actual upload process, which is incredibly simple.
You literally just drag and drop that massive long-form file right into the Vizard interface. While Premiere might make you right-click and analyze a single clip on your timeline, Vizard starts working immediately. It instantly scans the entire duration for the good stuff, those spikes in energy that capture attention. It's looking for key phrases being spoken, sudden bursts of applause, genuine laughter, or any loud reaction. Basically, it detects anything that signals a moment where a viewer will absolutely stop their endless scroll. Vizard's auto-editing feature then takes those signals and generates dozens of short clips automatically. Crucially, it does this in multiple aspect ratios, saving you the tedious manual cropping for every single platform. Watching the AI analyze the entire timeline in real time is honestly one of the most satisfying parts of this process. Once complete, it offers you a curated list of candidate clips, all pre-analyzed for engagement potential. You can easily preview every suggested clip right there in one central location. If you need to tweak the in points or out points, that control is always just a quick adjustment away. But for speed, letting it roll with the defaults is usually fantastic because they are already optimized for viewer retention. For those of you thinking you lose creative command, rest assured, Vizard is about giving you more control, just at a massive scale. Need a quick, punchy boomerang-style clip between 3 to 5 seconds long? Consider that instantly done. Or maybe you require a slightly longer 30-second teaser to promote a full-length piece? That's also instantly ready for export. Every single exported file comes out ready for the platform, often with captions baked directly into the video file. Alternatively, you can export the captions as a separate SRT file if your specific workflow demands that level of separation. One of the features I personally use constantly is the multi-format output capability. Think about it. Exporting square for Instagram, vertical for TikTok, and horizontal for YouTube used to mean 3 separate manual setups in Premiere. Vizard handles all of that simultaneously using smart reframe technology, which is a massive time investment saved. This reframing process automatically centers the most important part of the action, keeping your composition perfectly intact. Say goodbye to those awkward moments where a subject's head gets sliced off by an automatic zoom. Another huge quality of life improvement is how Vizard builds an internal content library as it processes your files. It's essentially like having an entire bin of automatically created, pre-labeled subclips ready to go. This feature is unbelievably handy when you're dealing with a massive project or trying to archive years of old footage. Remember those clients who hand you a 5-hour event recording and just say, "We'll know what we want when we see it"? This system literally saves days of tedious review time by surfacing searchable labeled moments. You can immediately drag these clips into your current project or schedule them for immediate deployment. Speaking of deployment, the auto-schedule feature is the second massive game changer for distribution. Stop the cycle of exporting clips and then manually logging into 3 different apps to upload them on different days. Instead, you set your desired posting frequency, maybe 1 clip per day or 5 clips every week, and Vizard arranges the whole roadmap. It queues your chosen clips and publishes them sequentially, according to the exact schedule you defined. You always retain the ability to shuffle posts around, add final caption tweaks, or adjust hashtags before they go live. For busy creators juggling multiple platforms, this is functionally like hiring a tireless virtual assistant who never sleeps. The third core feature I need to highlight is the dedicated content calendar view, your true command center. Here, you can visually track everything scheduled, easily move items and preview upcoming posts at a glance. If you suddenly see a content gap next Tuesday, you simply drag any clip into that empty slot and it updates instantly. This view is essential if you manage multiple distinct creators or different brand accounts under one umbrella. You can easily group content by theme, filter the entire calendar by a specific platform, or set granular permissions for collaborators. Team members can queue up edits, while social managers focus solely on refining the final captions and hashtags. Now, let's address the comparison everyone is waiting for. How is this fundamentally different from standard editor features? Premiere's scene detection excels at one job, finding those hard, pre-existing edits within one clip. It absolutely will not intelligently select the best 15-second highlight, auto-caption it, or schedule it for release. Other so-called all-in-one tools often run into one of two problems. They're either prohibitively expensive for individual creators, or they rely too heavily on rigid templates. Those template-heavy apps can make all your content look exactly the same, destroying the authenticity many creators strive for. Vizard finds that perfect sweet spot by being both incredibly smart about finding viral moments and wonderfully practical in execution. It provides the intelligent detection, the control for minor tweaks, the multi-format export, and the automated publishing workflow all linked together. In short, this tool is built around how creators actually work, not just how an engineer imagines we should. Let me quickly run through a few real-world scenarios so this concept really clicks for you. Scenario 1. You're a podcaster with a dense 2-hour interview recording sitting on your drive. Upload that monster file. Let Vizard isolate the funniest exchanges or the most insightful expert takes. Select just 5 of those killer moments, export them in horizontal, vertical, and square, and schedule them to drip out all week. You've just transformed a single time-consuming episode into a week's worth of diverse social content effortlessly. Scenario 2 involves editing footage for a large client event with dozens of speakers and audience reactions. The AI scans the entire recording, specifically looking for applause cues, cheers, or high-energy vocal delivery. It then creates organized folders of subclips, allowing you to easily pull out reels specifically focused on one speaker or one topic. If the client wants a quick summary of the absolute top 3 moments, you can compile that highlight reel in under 5 minutes. Scenario 3 is about breathing new life into old content, like that amazing show reel buried on an old external drive. Instead of manually hunting through years of footage, let the AI surface the performances that still pack a serious punch. You then repackage those moments into that crisp, modern vertical format, add fresh captions, and start scheduling a reintroduction campaign. This lets you reintroduce your best legacy work to an entirely new, younger audience that never saw it the first time around. A few extra quality of life details I absolutely love include the captioning engine. The generated captions are remarkably clean, and they are fully editable right within the platform's editor. You can easily layer in your own branding elements, like custom lower thirds or background watermarks, for consistency. There's also basic but effective color and audio normalization baked right in, ensuring all your exports have a consistent professional sound. It's important to remember, Vizard isn't trying to replace your full nonlinear editor like Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. You'll still use those tools for heavy creative lifting, but for repurposing and scalable distribution, this tool is truly invaluable. If quality control is a concern for you, you never have to worry because you always preview and tweak every single clip before it goes live. For larger teams managing content pipelines, the calendar's collaboration features allow editors to queue, while social managers polish the final copy. So that's the complete high-level rundown of this powerful system for content recycling. If this workflow sounds like the solution you've been searching for, check the link right down below this video. I've included that exact sample footage, along with a full tutorial project for you to test drive the entire flow immediately. Please make the effort to download the original file from Pexels if you can, and always ensure you credit the original creator when you post it. If that Pexels link happens to expire for some reason, I do have a backup copy available on my drive as a failsafe. However, I genuinely prefer that you always try to snag the original source file whenever that is still an option for you. One final thought for you. If you found this specific walkthrough helpful, I have an entire playlist dedicated to content scaling tactics. These aren't just tooltips. They are proven methodologies that genuinely save you substantial amounts of time every single week. If this approach resonated with your need for efficiency, please smash that subscribe button right now. Drop a comment below telling me exactly what type of content you're most excited to automate using this system next. I read every comment and will use your ideas to inform future workflow demonstrations. Thank you so much for watching this deep dive, and happy editing as you create content that truly matters. Go out there and make your mark without succumbing to the endless, repetitive burnout of manual content management.